Students, we know that when electric current is passed through a resistor, electric energy is converted into thermal energy or heat energy, and this is called heating effect of electric current. Seebeck was the scientist who discovered its reverse process. He discovered that an electric current or electrical energy could be produced by thermal energy or heat energy, and this phenomenon of production of electricity with the help of heat energy is called thermoelectricity, and this effect is called thermoelectric effect. The electric current produced in the circuit is called as thermoelectric current, while EMF produced in the circuit is called thermo EMF. तो ये कैसे होता है? For that, thermocouple is used. Now, what is thermocouple? Thermocouple, the combination of two different metals which are connected parallel to each other so as to form a closed loop and which is capable to produce current is called thermocouple. Your idea will get clear from this diagram. Now see this diagram. Here two different metals, bismuth and antimony, are used to form loop. इसी को बोलते हैं thermocouple. Now these are two junctions where bismuth is connected with antimony. One junction is kept hot and other junction is kept cold, and this galvanometer is connected to detect current. When two junctions of thermocouple are kept at different temperatures, a small EMF is produced and a current flows through the metals. This effect is called Seebeck effect. For antimony bismuth couple, current flows from antimony to bismuth at cold junction. You can remember it by ABC rule, means A for antimony, B for bismuth at cold junction, means current flows from antimony to bismuth at cold junction. Current flowing through the thermocouple is shown by deflection in this galvanometer. It is found that if the temperature difference is increased, means what? अगर हम लोग हॉट जंक्शन का टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करते गए तो करंट शोन बाय दिस गैल्वेनोमीटर आल्सो गोज ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. जितना ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस रहेगा बिटवीन हॉट जंक्शन एंड कोल्ड जंक्शन, उतना करंट विल प्रोड्यूस्ड इन दिस लूप. Current produced in the loop is called as thermoelectric current, and EMF produced is called thermo EMF. It is also found that if the direction of current will get reversed if the position of hot junction and cold junction are changed. मतलब अगर हम लोग इसको cold junction रखें और इसको hot junction रखें तो we will see that कि करंट का डायरेक्शन अभी एंटीमनी टू बिस्मथ रहेगा अगेन एट द कोल्ड जंक्शन. ये जंक्शन जब कोल्ड जंक्शन बन जाएगा तो करंट का डायरेक्शन विल गेट रिवर्स. तो दिस इफेक्ट इज रिवर्सिबल. द थर्मो EMF डेवलप्ड इन अ थर्मोकपल इज गिवन बाय फॉर्मूला E इज इक्वल टू अल्फा T प्लस बीटा T स्क्वायर, वेयर अल्फा एंड बीटा आर thermoelectric constants, where T is the temperature of hot junction and cold junction is kept at 0 degree Celsius. Now this graph shows the variation of thermo EMF with temperature of thermocouple at hot junction. This graph is found to be parabolic in shape as shown. For any given thermocouple, EMF, thermo EMF varies with the temperature difference between the junctions as shown in this graph. From this graph it is clear that as the temperature of hot junction is increased, a stage comes at which thermo EMF becomes maximum and then decreases with rises in temperature of hot junction. Now you have understood what is thermoelectric effect, what is thermoelectricity, thermocouple, thermo EMF, Seebeck effect, circuit diagram of antimony bismuth thermocouple, and variation of thermo EMF with temperature of hot junction.